guys, what's up? We are gonna travel, alright? I'll do a video in London. I'll do like a full video, so make sure to watch that later. Bye. Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Look at the track, it's cool. Like, look at this track. It's so beautiful. This track is so beautiful. So yeah, I guess we have to wait until it starts. Oh yeah, it's starting, guys. It's starting. It's time to see. Oh my gosh, guys. I can't believe I'm my first London video.
Will lead up there from the five Trapstall Week. Trapstall Week's taking the front. Now the two first route on the inside there. It's a 2 5 and 2 on we go. 2 and 5.
You see this, guys?
On the line. Photo finish required over the judge.
That was a fire. That was fire, guys.